Assalamualaikum, guys. Welcome back with me, Tony, and then still within our preparation of job interview in English. And then our topic today is about questions about qualifications, work experience, and career goals. Jadi topik kita kali ini berkenaan dengan pertanyaan tentang kualifikasi, lalu ada pengalaman kerja, dan juga tujuan karir. Jadi contohnya misalnya, questions about the job you are applying for, questions about hiring you, questions about what you know about the company, questions about current and past work experience, questions about career goals. Jadi nomor 5 ini pertanyaan tentang job yang sedang Anda lamar seperti itu ya. Jadi Anda atau kalian harus tahu what is the job description or key performance indicators of the position that you are applying for. Yeah. And number 6 is questions about hiring you. Pertanyaannya biasanya bunyinya, why should we hire you? Kenapa kita harus atau kenapa kami harus mempekerjakan Anda seperti itu ya? Tell me the reasons about hiring you. Tell me the reason why should we hire you. Question about what you know about the company ya. Pertanyaan standarnya adalah tell us about this company ya. Of course in here you need to do some research. And then within your research, you need to mention the name of the company and then what kind of service or products does it manufacture or does it provide? Yeah, or maybe what is the greatest strength of that company? And then something that you can predict, something that can potentially be predicted in the future. How can you contribute for the company? How can the company grow up? And then questions about current and past work experience. Pertanyaan tentang pekerjaan terkini Anda apa dan pengalaman terdahulu apa. Tentunya di sini yang relevan, ya. So you must provide relevant answers for your current and past work experience. So it must be relevant, yeah. If it is not relevant, do not mention it. Yeah, it is only confusing the answers or maybe confusing the employers. And then next questions about career goals. Jadi tujuan karir Anda apa? In 5 years from now, tell me about your career goals. Dalam 5 tahun ke depan, beritahukan kepada kami apa tujuan karir Anda seperti itu ya. Why are you interested working here? Why are you interested in working here? Ya, kenapa Anda tertarik bekerja di sini? So of course you need to mention the logical reason why you are interested in working there. Contohnya kalau saya kerja di sebuah perusahaan advertising, the reason why I'm interested in working here within this advertising company because this company, I believe, provides a lot of challenges for me to develop my personal development and for me to learn more about in-depth advertising internationally. And I believe I can get a lot of experiences or more experiences guided by the seniors here. Ya, jadi kita harus sebutkan sesuatu yang logical berkaitan dengan apa kekuatan dari company ini, apa peluang yang bisa kita dapat dari bekerja di perusahaan ini seperti itu, atau secara personal development skill apa yang bisa kita tingkatkan dan apa yang bisa kita kontribusikan dengan past experience dan our ability. Why have you applied for this post? Why have you applied for this post? Kenapa Anda melamar pekerjaan ini atau posisi ini? Tadi jawabannya bersama ya. What do you expect from this job tadi ya? By being the staff, by working here in this company, I expect to have more experiences, especially within advertising, within marketing, within education, within research and development, within the position of account executive, within a sales manager, etc. Nah, kita punya contohnya nih. We have the sample answer, friends. Okay, listen to me. It will be a privilege to work in a reputable company such as yours. Ya, sangat ini merupakan sebuah kehormatan untuk bekerja di perusahaan yang ternama, yang memiliki reputasi tinggi, seperti perusahaan Anda. When I read about the opening, I found that my skills and qualifications match the requirements. Ya, ketika saya melihat opening ini di sini maksudnya adalah job vacancy atau peluang kerja atau lowongan kerja. Ketika saya melihat lowongan kerja yang Anda tampilkan di bisa di online job seekers atau di newspaper dan sebagainya, I found that my skills, saya menemukan skill saya atau kemampuan saya and qualifications dan kualifikasi saya matched the requirements, ya, pas sekali dengan kebutuhan, ya, kebutuhan di dalam iklan kerja tersebut. And I could make use of the experience gained in the past 5 years. Dan saya bisa memanfaatkan pengalaman saya 5 tahun ke belakang. Furthermore, terlebih lagi, I believe your company will allow me to grow both professionally and as a person. Saya yakin perusahaan Anda, ya, akan memudahkan saya untuk berkembang, baik itu secara profesional dan secara personal. Ya, saya ulangi ya. It will be a privilege to work in a reputable company such as yours. When I read about the opening, I found that my skills and qualifications match the requirements, and I could make use of the experience gained in the past 5 years. Furthermore, I believe your company will allow me to grow both professionally and as a person, atau personally, seperti itu. Yeah. And then we have the usual grammar to be utilized here. The first one is the verbs. Contohnya, I'm interested in applying for this position because it is very challenging for me. It can enhance my personal development. It can enhance my skill. It can improve my qualifications, etc. I'm attracted by the position you offered within JobStreet, JobsDB, for example, because I believe it matches my qualifications within back 10 years. Yeah. The job appeals me. Appeals itu maksudnya menarik perhatian, seperti itu ya. Linking words, because, as, since, for, sama-sama artinya karena. Nah, ini questions about hiring you. Yang pertanyaan tentang kenapa sih perusahaan ini harus meng-hire atau menyewa Anda sebagai pegawai, sebagai manajer dan sebagainya. Why should we hire you? This is the question that I've talked about before or previously. Give us a good reason for taking you on. Berikan kami sebuah alasan kenapa kami harus menyewa Anda, ya, atau meng-hire Anda sebagai pegawai. Why do you think you are the best person for this position? I consider myself to be the best person for this position because I have 10 years experience within the same field. Saya memiliki pengalaman 10 tahun lebih, ya, di posisi ini atau di bidang ini. And I have the proof. Saya memiliki bukti. I have the proof of my contribution in giving profits, dalam memberikan keuntungan for the companies that I've worked on, ya, untuk perusahaan-perusahaan yang saya telah bekerja di dalamnya. Nah, ini sample answers-nya, friends. Contohnya gini, I think I'm a great match for this position. Saya pikir saya kandidat yang bagus lah untuk posisi ini. My degree in math, coupled with 3 years experience working in the field of computational analysis, helped me to improve productivity by 30%. Ya, jadi dengan gelar saya, ya, di jurusan matematika, dengan ditambah 3 tahun pengalaman bekerja di bagian analisa komputasional, analisa berbasis komputer, membantu saya untuk improve atau meningkatkan produktivitas saya sekitar 30%. Ya, I believe I can do the same for your organization and will be a great addition to your team. Dan saya percaya bahwasanya ini akan berlaku sama terhadap organisasi atau perusahaan Anda, yang dimana saya akan memberikan kontribusi banyak seperti itu, ya, dan menjadi tambahan staf atau pegawai yang signifikan untuk tim Anda. Lalu di sini, as I am a fresher, I have theoretical knowledge, but I can work hard and learn the practical aspects quickly. Ya, sebagai lulusan yang baru saja lulus, sebagai kandidat yang baru saja lulus, maksudnya seperti ya, as I am fresher. As di sini maksudnya adalah because, karena saya seorang kandidat yang baru lulus, seperti itu. I have theoretical knowledge. Nih, kemampuan saya secara teoritis masih hangat-hangatnya seperti itu ya. Masih sharp, masih tajam. But I can work hard. Tetapi saya bisa bekerja keras loh. And learn the practical aspects quickly. Dan saya bisa, ya, belajar dengan cepat sesuatu yang bersifat praktis atau praktek. Moreover, terlebih lagi, I will make a great effort to fulfill my duties. Saya akan memberikan kontribusi atau usaha yang besar untuk mencapai tugas-tugas saya and responsibilities and contribute to the good progress of the organization, ya. Dan kewajiban saya dalam kontribusi saya terhadap progres yang baik atau signifikan di dalam organisasi ini. Saya ulang ya. I think I'm a great match for this position. My degree in math coupled with 3 years of experience working in the field of computational analysis helped me to improve productivity by 30%. I believe I can do the same for your organization and will be a great addition to your team. As I am a fresher, I have theoretical knowledge, but I can work hard and learn the practical aspects quickly. Moreover, I will make a great effort to fulfill my duties and responsibilities and contribute to the good progress of the organization. And then we have the usual grammar syntax in here, friends. Conditional form and sentences to be expressed. For example, like the likelihood of you're working for them, ya. Likelihood itu tingkat kesukaan, ya. Contoh gini, if I'm hired, jika saya diterima menjadi pegawai perusahaan Anda, I can atau I could atau I will contribute. I can contribute, I could contribute, atau I will contribute significantly to the progress of your company. Secara signifikan terhadap perkembangan perusahaan Anda. Saya ulang ya. If I'm hired, I can contribute significantly to the progress of your company. The possibility of you working for them. Contohnya gini, if I were hired, ya jika saya dipekerjakan, maksudnya seperti itu ya. If I were hired, I would make a great effort to learn quickly. Saya akan memberikan kontribusi atau usaha yang besar untuk belajar dengan cepat. Linking forms to state opinions. I believe I am the best person for this position, gitu ya. In my opinion, I can learn quickly because I'm a fresher. According to me, within my experience, I can give a big contribution to your company because I did it previously. In my experience, I could handle all of my tasks or within the deadline. I would say that I'm well experienced and I can handle all of the key performance indicators that you will give me later by the time I am hired within your company. I have no doubt that saya tidak memiliki keraguan ya bahwasanya I have no doubt that I can handle all of the tasks you will give me. Ya, saya akan bisa menghandle semua tugas yang Anda akan berikan kepada saya. I'm sure or I'm confident that I can give big profits to your company. Saya akan bisa memberikan profit atau keuntungan yang besar untuk perusahaan Anda. Okay, friends, sebelum nanti kita beranjak ke questions about what you know about the company di sini ya. Kita tadi bikin summary dulu bahwasanya kita harus tahu ya apa-apa saja yang menjadi pertanyaan terkait job atau deskripsi kerja yang kita sedang apply atau sedang lamar ya. Tentang apa sih pekerjaannya? So we have to know, friends, before we face the interview about the job descriptions that we are applying for, and then about the company that we are applying, and then about our current and past work experience, about our experiences. I want you to relate your experience with the job that you are applying. Jadi nyatakan segala sesuatunya atau experiences atau pengalaman yang terkait, yang relevan terhadap job yang sedang kalian apply. Karena itu penting. Kalau tidak relevan nggak usah. Misalnya kita pernah jadi sales Tamiya, kita pernah buka jasa dinamo kilikan Tamiya, atau kita pernah menjadi performer ya dalam seni, tetapi posisi yang kita lamar ada sebagai marketing, it is not relevant. So state something relevant ya in order to sustain your convincing statements within the job interview, of course, in English. Yes, friends, thank you very much.